Welcome to the market research section of the strategy, where you're going to set the foundation for the entire strategy that's ahead. In here, you're going to learn three important things. Number one, learning about your product details to understand why customers find your product attractive and how best to sell to them. Number two, creating a target audience persona to understand who your customers are and how best to target them. And number three, doing a competitor analysis to understand who your competitors are, what their weaknesses are, and how we can beat them. To easily accomplish this, we're going to use the marketing strategy guidebook. If you haven't already, go to the resources and download it. We are going to move into the market research section simply by clicking there. And in every lecture, I'm going to show you how to use the copy and paste prompts in here, copy them, paste them into ChatGPT, change the one things that needs to be changed to get the results you're looking for. In order to create an effective marketing strategy, you need to have a product. But if you don't have one, don't worry about it. We're going to supply you with three different demo products. The first is an aromatherapy rollerball set. The second, a crystal infused water bottle. And the third, blue light blocking glasses. You're going to get this product image and a transparent product image that we can use on our website in the next section. So even if you don't have a product, you can still use a demo product, develop your valuable skills to create an effective marketing strategy where you can then take that expertise to apply for any marketing job you're looking for. Throughout this section, I will guide you step by step where to find the prompts, how to paste them in, what to change, and then where to save down that information. In the guidebook, we are going to have specific sections where you can paste in all of the information. And once you've gone through this section with me and you've gotten your product details, your target audience persona, and your competitor analysis strategy, you can easily refer back to all of your data anytime. In the index part of your guidebook, there's a section called My Data. Whenever you need to refer back to the information we save in here, go down to My Target Audience Persona, for example, click there and you will find all of the information you need. With that said, let's move on to the next lecture and start doing our market research from the beginning, understanding more about your product details. See you in the next lecture.